Welcome back to Trekking Tour Sapa's video. In this video, we will share with you some common mistakes that tourists often make when visiting Sapa. Let's explore these common mistakes and how to avoid them with Trekking Tour Sapa. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Arriving late for trekking appointments. One common mistake tourists make is being late for their scheduled trekking appointments. Sapa offers stunning natural beauty, and it's essential to start your treks on time to make the most of your day. Ensure you arrive punctually to avoid missing out on the experience. Mistake 2. Forgetting to check personal belongings. Before going trekking, it's crucial to check and pack all your essential personal belongings before heading out for a trek. Ensure you have appropriate clothing, comfortable shoes, water, snacks, and any required permits. After trekking, after returning from a trek, make sure you haven't left any personal items behind, especially when using shared transportation. Mistake 3. Leaving personal belongings on the bus. Another common mistake is leaving personal items on the bus or transport you used to reach Sapa. Always double-check your belongings before leaving any vehicle to avoid losing important items. Mistake 4. Trekking without ensuring good health and safety. Your health and safety should be a top priority when trekking in Sapa. Don't embark on treks if you're not feeling well or if you have any medical concerns. Ensure you're physically prepared for the challenges of the terrain. Mistake 5. Going trekking or hiking without knowing the trails. Trekking in Sapa can involve challenging terrain and unpredictable weather. It's a mistake to venture onto trails without prior knowledge. Always have a map, a guide, or a clear understanding of the route before starting your trek to avoid getting lost. Mistake 6. Underestimating the difficulty of trekking routes. Sapa offers various trekking routes, some more challenging than others. Underestimating the difficulty of a particular route can lead to exhaustion and discomfort. Research the trekking trails and choose one that matches your fitness level and experience. In conclusion, by being mindful of these common mistakes and following the provided advice, you can make the most of your trip to Sapa, Vietnam. Remember to plan ahead, prioritize safety and health, and always stay informed about the trekking routes. This way, you'll have a memorable and enjoyable experience while exploring the stunning natural beauty that Sapa has to offer. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please show your support by like, share, and subscribe. We are Trekking Tour Sapa, a team of local tour guides in Sapa. Our guides are experienced and knowledgeable about the area. If you're planning a trip to Sapa and need advice on where to stay, what to do, and where to go, please don't hesitate to contact us using the information provided below. We're here to assist and provide you with helpful recommendations. Thank you.